Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to save or download all images from a PDF file as a PNG format using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and I'll save these images as PNG format. Select this convert option in this menu bar and here you will find this export all images option. Select here. Now click on the setting option. Here you can select a specific page range or select all pages. Also you can change here image quality, color and format. Now select OK and click on this save as file type. Here you will find this PNG format. Now select your folder and save destination location and select save. Again click on this export option and select folder, PNG and setting all of this and select save. Yes, see this. Now click this right button and select properties and this PNG format. All of this now PNG format. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.